Hey, Fernando. Joshua here with Peterson SEO, and thank you for requesting this video today. Today I want to talk about desert dry restoration, but before we get into that, I really want to explain to you how the three different ways that you can be found and seen by Google from where your business would come from. So, with that, let's get to it. All right, so say that we type in water damage restoration, Los Angeles, for instance, and you would see the top businesses here. Okay, so the sponsored is the number one, or excuse me, is one of the ways that on how you can be found. Um, as you can see, water damage fixed is here on the top here. The second way in how you can be found is what's called the map pack area. Okay, now 30% of your business will come from here if your business profile is up to date and your citations. Um, so the third thing, or excuse me, the third way in you can be found is organic section. That's what we like to call is the organics. 70% of your business will come from here. So you have Angie's, DryMaster, and Yelp who hold these three top positions. So with that, let's take a quick look. Um, I searched your desert dry restoration. It looks like let's see here. Looks like you could use a website. I could not find one on you. So with that, I'm just going to kind of explain what you could do as far as your Google Map Pack. So basically, you want to finish optimizing 100%. Make sure that all your photos are properly saved in here. The more photos you have, the better. So, and also you want to make sure to have uh, citations attached to them because what your citations are, it's like a digital phone book directory pointing to your business. So, and we don't care, or no one cares about organics with your your Google Map Pack stuff. So that's kind of in a nutshell how you would do that. So let's explain kind of a website. So here's your competitor, drymaster.us. And I'm just going to come through and explain a little bit. Now here's home, their services and stuff. Now they have what Google likes on a website is content. Now these guys have maybe a couple hundred words of content. Google likes 1,500 to 2,000 words of content. So, and they like um, keywords attached to your content. So, in a nutshell, that's kind of how the website works as far as content and Google is concerned. Now let's take a quick look at how they look. If I had your website for you, I would definitely plug it in here, and we can see the power and the trust that Google has for this website in particular. Here's their referring domains and their backlinks that they have. Um, these are the organic keywords that they're using. So, I mean, you pop open their keywords uh, for that search area. That's what they're using. So we have access to all these keywords, and you want to make sure that you are using these keywords organically within your website. I mean, your website is pretty much like an ATM machine. So just take a quick look what these guys, how much organic traffic they have. So they have about 200, I believe, organic uh, traffic. So yeah, here we go. All right, so they're with their 49 organic keywords, they have 200 um, organic traffic going through their website. So, like I said, it's think of your website or a website as um, an ATM machine, basically, digital ATM machine. So it's very important that when you have a website, you want to rank everything organically and use proper SEO backlinking so that we could beat these guys. I mean, these guys are are pretty good. So, or could use a lot of work. They actually they're okay. I mean, I don't know how old and how long they've been on here, but obviously they're doing enough to get. When you type in water damage restoration, Los Angeles, enough to get on the second position here. So, um, with these Yelp has the top spot here. The reason why they do is this is national. So if we were to target them locally, we could beat Yelp and put you guys up here. So with that, I mean, that's in a nutshell, that's pretty much all I have for you, Fernando. I hope this information was useful to you. Again, let's kind of make a quick recap. For your 3 ways to be found, sponsored, map pack area with citations, 30% of your business will come from there. 70% will come from these organics, Angie's, TriMaster, and Yelp. These top 3 positions. So with that, I hope this information is useful to you. If you need a guide to help uh, put your online presence on the map and boost it, feel free to contact me. My name is Joshua. I'm with Peterson SEO. You can reach me at 505-331-7995, or you can email me at joshua@petersonseoconsulting.com. Thank you so much, Fernando, for your time, and have a wonderful day. Thank you.